Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling with Stone. So I know it's been a while. I've been MIA, basically concentrating on my business. You guys know I came out with a luxury mink eyelash line called Socialite Mink Lash. So everything's up and running with that and doing great. It is growing. Other than that, I ended up getting to an accident. You guys, I got in a bad accident and I got hurt really bad and I couldn't walk for a little while. So that just kind of had me down and out for a while, but I'm so much better. I am almost healed and I am back. And for those who have questions about my teeth, I have literally like well over 100 requests of an update about my teeth. So that's coming, you guys, probably sooner than you think. I'm going to do an update. They're still doing pretty good. They look great. I'm still happy with them. So I'll do an update video. So today's going to be a quick video on these contacts that I'm wearing. So I was sent these contacts from a company called Iris Beauty, and I'm just going to tell you guys right off the bat, I was so impressed by the packaging. So check this out. Is that not the cutest luxury feel? And it feels like almost like a matte suede type. I don't know. In the black and gold, it just looks so luxury, you guys. So the color of the contacts that I'm wearing now is called Sugar Brown. I like them because they look natural. They seem as if they have like a few different colors mixed in to like get this shade. I'm not sure how they got it, but it's so cute. I've been wearing a grayish looking color for like the past year or two, and this is something different to switch it up. So yeah, I really like this color, you guys. And so when it came, I opened it up and they came with like the your contact case, and it came with the Iris Beauty. They came in two different Iris Beauty shades, obviously one for each eye. Very sturdy, very luxury feel. Like, you guys, I'm not gonna name drop, but out of the brands that I work with, I don't think I've quite seen anything this this is like the quality of the packaging is legit, you guys. So they are prescribed, so that's a cool thing. When you order the contacts from them, you can get them prescribed to your exact prescription. And another cool thing is they sent like a little card. One thing that stood out to me, that it says Iris Beauty is a New York City based brand that was created in 2017. We worked on developing a unique colored contact that fits like a glove. So that's one of the things that stood out to me. This one, I noticed it literally fits like a glove. So when I put it on, it was like a suction cup, and it covers my entire eyeball. So that's one thing that's pretty cool, because I actually went to my eye doctor last year when I updated my prescription, and I asked her, I was like, does contacts do they come in different sizes? How can I get it to completely cover the entire brown part? And so I really didn't get any solid answer from her then. So that was pretty cool that they have this in there, because it does fit like a glove. I've been wearing these contacts now for about a week. Very comfortable. I do take them out at night, put them in the case, with a little bit of solution, and put them back in the morning, and it's a very comfortable fit, you guys. So yeah, that is that. They have several colors to choose from, you guys. Check out their website. Their website is www.irisbeauty.com. I'll have all their information in the description box for you guys. And they have some gorgeous colors. I already saw like two other colors on there that I wanted. I was like, ooh, you guys know I love colored contacts. So Iris Beauty, thank you for these contacts. I am enjoying them. So you guys, if y'all have any questions about these lashes, so of course it's Socialite Mink Lash. The style that I'm wearing is called After Party. So After Party is a full fluffy lash. Like, all of them are full and fluffy, but the unique thing about these is it's shorter on the inside. It gradually gets longer and darker towards the outside, and they're super fluffy. So you get that kind of like winged out look going on there. So yeah, that's Socialite Mink Lash in the style After Party. So like I said, this quick video. One of the next videos coming up is gonna actually be a review of my veneers that I got done like over a year ago. I know you guys are really wanting to follow up with that, because I know you guys are trying to make an appointment to get y'all's done. So I got y'all covered. So thank you guys so so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you haven't already. And until next time, thank you so much for rolling with Stone.